break for no reason.
She said I'd take a trip for no reason.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe.
See, we don't know how to play.
And now a comment down below. So as you guys read by the title, today we're gonna be doing a baked spelling bee, and we have family today.
Always family.
So boom, we got Nyjah in the house. I'm gonna link her Instagram down below. We got Cheeks, aka Ramon, but nobody call him that. Anyways, we have Jess, and look at her with the shades, and we got Justin, period. And so yeah, pretty much Merx is gonna be giving us words to spell out.
I got hard words. I looked for college spelling bee words.
And I'm pretty sure we're gonna all fucking fail because we are baked. We are definitely in college.
Easy. I didn't go to college and I know these words. You went to college.
Alright, well, so that's what's gonna happen. He's gonna read out these words, and pretty much we all have one chance to spell it out. And if you get it wrong, you have a strike. We have 3 strikes until we're out, and boom. So let's get into it.
All of a sudden they want to cheat.
Alright, let's
Alright, winner gets $50.
The thing is, so I'll sit in the middle.
The ends play rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
The ends gotta play rock,
Obviously,
paper,
you don't
scissors.
know where you stop.
The ends gotta play rock, paper.
You're first. Yeah.
No,
you're
chill.
first.
The ends gotta play rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, the
See
ends.
which one
That's the rock,
starts.
paper, scissors.
Well, how you do it? Rock,
One
paper,
out of one, or
scissors,
just
shoot.
No,
one?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's it.
Alright.
Rock,
Alright,
paper,
ready?
scissors, and then you shoot.
Alright, ready? Wait, best out of 3 or just best out of 3?
That's what I'm saying.
What are we doing?
One
Best
part.
out of 3.
Best out of 3?
Best out of 3.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh,
Go.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
you got him. Alright,
Go.
one more.
Tiebreaker.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Justin. Luscious.
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 Lushus.
Luscious.
That was mad, like.
Nigga, OUS.
What happened to the C? Is there a C in there?
Isn't there an I in there?
L-U-S-C-I-O-U-S.
There is a C in there.
Jessica.
spelled
Containment.
CONTAINER.
That's container.
Containment. You keep going.
Try again. You had you used the right time, wrong word.
Yeah, that's great. That's great.
Yo, listen up.
Containment. Containment.
I can't breathe.
Wolverine.
W-O-V.
Ready? Wolverine, like X-Men? Really?
I
Wolverine.
could. Just finish.
W. O.
Uh-huh.
I can't breathe.
Oh, now it's L.
V. E-R-E-N-E.
Bro,
No.
Okay.
W-O-L-V-E-R-I-N-E.
I don't know how to spell that
Okay.
either, bro.
I wouldn't either, to be honest.
Nyjah. Surveillance.
S-U-R-V-E-I-L-E-N-C-E. No?
You're close.
I tried. What did I get wrong? Spell it.
S-U-R-V-E-I-L-L-A-N-C-E.
Oh, okay.
Why did that sound longer?
It is.
Babe.
It wasn't.
Onomatopoeia.
Oh my, what?
Oh,
What is that?
You don't know what?
No.
I don't know what
What is it?
I don't know what that is.
But I heard it before.
Me too.
Is that one of those words you hear?
No. Okay, so
There
A.
we go.
Okay, A-N.
Want some milk?
A-O-P-I-A.
you serious?
A-N-A-O? No.
Close.
You got it?
Yeah.
Onomatopoeia.
Oh, I was way off.
Alright,
But damn, that's
Psychology.
a good word.
Psychology.
That is a good word, man.
Damn.
that is a good word.
That's an excellent word.
P. S. How?
Psychology.
Keep going.
Psychology.
O-L.
It's okay. He
Psychology.
I don't know that shit.
You had it right. P-S-Y. Chology. C-H-O-L-O-G-Y. Next. Knowledge. That's a good word. You got that. What?
Nah, hold up.
Chino, you got this. Come on, that's right. You got this.
K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E.
Okay.
Damn.
Make sure you're
Cheeks.
keeping
Amendment.
I could go back.
A. M. E. N. Amendment.
Mm-hmm.
D. M-E-N-T.
Mm-hmm. Apparently.
A P P E R E N T O Y.
Apparently.
Spell it.
A-P-P. Or what's the word? I don't know how to spell it. Oh yeah, A-P-P. A-R-E-N-T-L-Y. Babe, irresistible.
IRRESTIABLE.
Irresistible.
That's how I spell it.
Have you ever spelled that word before?
No.
Oh my goodness. Okay. IRRESISTIBLE. It's okay.
My word sounded low key a little close.
It did.
Dang it. Alright, so I got 2 strikes.
I just flashed my.
Beacon.
Beacon.
Mm-hmm.
I want that. Why they get the easy words on that side?
B-E-C-A-N? No.
No.
Nah.
No. B-E-A-C-O-N. Right?
Yeah.
Right.
Beacon.
Justin's out the game.
I got one more strike and then I'll have to.
Jess. Products.
P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S.
Mm-hmm.
She was winning.
Right, it's not fair.
She's 2 wins.
Those are some good words.
Cheeky. Spell. Crossroad.
C-R-O-S-S-R-O-A-D.
That's too easy.
It's
Two easy words put together.
That was too easy. This person. Mystery. That's a 6th grade word.
Yeah, it sounds like a
That sounds very easy for me to spell.
M-Y-S-T-E-R-Y.
So you know what I realized?
So you got
CLEANSE.
See, it's because you heard that word before.
What word? Oh.
I know some of the words because I heard them before.
I got it right.
Construction.
Move up.
C-O-N-S-T-R.
She's writing it.
Yo, I don't know, man. Hold on. What was I at? S-T...
I'm gonna verb. Verb.
R-U-C-T-I-O-N.
Is anybody paying attention?
She got that right.
She got that right.
Oh my god, thank you. Lord.
Beat, obviously.
I zoned out for a whole second.
Is that you?
Me.
Oh, okay.
No.
Wait.
Oh no.
Hypocrisy.
Went. There.
What?
Hypocrisy.
HYPCRI.
Hypocrisy.
HIPOCRISY.
Hypocrisy. So HYPO.
Yeah.
No.
Immaculate.
That's such a good word.
Just
It's you.
What?
Immaculate.
What the hell is that?
Immaculate is something that's up to perfection.
Okay,
I know what it means. I'm just
dictionary.
saying. Immaculate. I am C-U-L-I-T.
No.
No?
It starts with an E.
IMAC.
Does it start with an E?
Invalidate.
That's you.
Why couldn't I get
That's
that?
you, Cheeks.
What? Invalidate.
INVALIDATE.
Yeah.
You go.
Nice just
You gonna
Gina
split that?
has words.
too. And so do you.
No, I
So,
don't.
love grade is too easy. Okay.
So I got like 4 wins right now.
Consolidated.
That's what we got.
Oh. I heard this word.
CONSOLIDATE. Yeah.
You're done? You're done?
I'm out.
Bruh.
It's up to these
Back to
three.
You
China.
still could give me some of the hard work.
It's just these three. Yeah, you
Come on,
asshole.
don't-
I'm telling you, I wasn't prepared for my fault. Discipline.
Discipline.
My back is aching, my bra too tight, my band shaking from the left to the right.
Discipline. D. Wait, I don't
Wait, I gotta write this down real quick.
Damn, I don't know.
She even wrote it wrong on her head.
Discipline.
No way!
Yo, like
No
this
way!
kid.
Just try. Maybe you'll get it right trying.
No. DISCIPLINE.
Yeah, you got
You
it.
got it right?
You
Yeah,
gotta trust yourself.
God, yeah,
Trust
you.
yourself.
listen.
Why
You
did
said
You down me.
sure.
Emphasize.
What?
You gave me a dictionary. Why am I not using it?
That's
It's
a
lost
good
it.
word. You see that on your phone all the time.
Emphasize is a good word.
E
Emphasize? Oh, yeah.
MPHICIZE.
No. Hello, give me my word.
I'm on 2 strikes.
You're on your last strike, honey. So
I'm on my last strike too, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
We all
Cheeky's
on our
Alright,
last
guys.
strike.
Cheeky's winning. You
Have
know
fun.
Yeah,
what?
you guys are all on your last
Discriminate.
Holding my finger.
What?
No, you just got discriminate.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
DISCRIMINATE.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Period.
She is 4 wins out of 4 wins.
Ooh, characteristic.
That's good.
It's getting hot.
That's all.
Okay.
That's an
Hold
artwork. I
on.
could body that.
CHARACT.
Characteristic.
ERISTIC.
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
Wait, I think so. Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, yeah,
You said I
yeah.
think
No,
so.
yeah.
I'm following, so yeah.
Yeah, I
that's
think
correct. Bro, it's hard when you're hot.
All right, Cheeks, you got to your last strike. Make it count.
This is good.
Constitutes. Constitutes.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, there's
CON constitutes.
You make it sound funny. Constitutes.
CON
Look, another writer.
ST
I'm a visual learner. What the hell? You see these two?
Constitutes.
Y'all gonna have me spell.
Wait, constitutes?
T-U-T-E-S.
Constituted.
You said constitutes.
Alright, whatever. Differentiate.
I got 5.
You want me to lose?
Differentiate. That's easy.
D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T-I-A-T-E. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Y'all getting lucky. Fuck
Yeah,
y'all.
I don't even know how to find five.
Hey, we're tied right now.
Alright, distinguish.
Oh, that's a
Oh
word.
my god.
That's a good word.
Distinguish.
Yeah.
Damn.
Snaps for you. Not even clap, snaps. Distinguished snaps.
Okay, cheeks. Last strike. Make it
Come
count.
on, when I need to strike out, man.
Yeah,
You better my odds.
Restaurant.
Okay.
R-E-S-T-A-R-O-U-N. Okay, so.
T? Restaurant.
It's R-E-S-T-U.
C-A-U.
R-E-S-T-A-U-R-E-R.
it's up to Jess and Nija now, so.
Wait, who's still in the game?
Just
These
Jess
two.
and
What do you think?
Okay.
Propaganda. The whole video.
Propaganda.
Propaganda. Propaganda.
So as I'm editing this video, we're coming to the end and we realized that Jess actually spelled propaganda correctly. So pretty much Nija did not win. Well, technically they were supposed to keep going back to back until one of them misspelled the word, but we didn't catch this until editing the video. So when they watch this, they will find out that they both are the winners. So congrats to them.
The last word is just to spell it.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Resistance.
That's an easy one. Come on.
R-E-S-I-S-T
Antsy.
A-N-C. I
I don't want to
won!
be
I'm
here for
$50
that one.
richer. I won.
What it do, what it does. All right, well, Nija was the winner.
Now give me my cup of noodles.
So she ratchet. Anyway, so that's the end of this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.